welcome to a new video of Masters Academy NEET Physics. Topic Semiconductor Electronics. This is the second part, Logic Gates Synopsis. Prepared by Santosh Kumar PK. Logic Gates and Truth Table. Logic Gate. The digital circuit that can be analyzed with the help of Boolean algebra is called as logic gate or logic circuit. A logic gate has two or more inputs but only one output. There are primarily three logic gates. They are namely the OR gate, the AND gate, the NOT gate. The truth table. The operation of a logic gate or circuit can be represented in a table which contains all possible inputs and their corresponding output is called the truth table. To write the truth table, we use binary digits 1 and 0. The OR gate. It has two inputs, A and B, and only one output. The Boolean expression is given by A plus B and it is read as Y equals to A or B. The logic symbol of OR gate is as shown here. Truth table for OR gate. These are the inputs A and B. This is the output Y is equal to A plus B. Two inputs 0 and 1. So four combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. It is A or B, that is the output will be maximum when any one of the input is maximum. It is indicated as A or B, any one. Both the input 0, output is also 0. So A0 B1, Y is 1. A1 B0, Y is 1. A1 B1, Y is again 1. It is nothing but 1 plus 1 is 1 sum, 1 carry. Therefore, the output of the OR gate will be maximum when any one of its input is maximum and its output will be minimum when both the inputs are minimum. The AND gate. It has two inputs A and B and only one output. The Boolean expression is Y is equal to A dot B is read as Y equals A and B. The logic symbol is as shown here. The truth table. So here again two inputs. So four combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The Boolean expression represents A and B. That means the output will be maximum when both the inputs are maximum. Both A and B should be maximum. 0 0 0 0 into 1 0 1 0 0 1 and 1 is 1 because 0 into 1 0 1 into 0 0. Therefore 1 into 1 is 1. The output of the AND gate will be maximum when both its input are maximum. If any one of its input is 0, then the output is also 0. Third type of gate is NOT gate. It has only one input and only one output. The Boolean expression is Y is A NOT. The NOT gate is also known as a inverter gate. The logic symbol is as shown here. The truth table. So only one input. If it is 0, the output will be inversion of 0 is 1. If it is input is 1, the inversion is 0. The combination of logic gates. The NAND gate. The NAND gate is formed from two basic gates, AND gate and NOT gate. The output of AND gate, when it is given to a NOT gate, then the combination it forms a NAND gate. So the Boolean expression and truth table. Output of AND gate, we know that output of AND gate is represented by Y is equal to A dot B. The NAND gate is nothing but not of AND, therefore A dot B whole complement. Two inputs A and B. Y dash here intermediate AND gate, Y dash is equal to A dot B and output Y is equal to Y dash whole complement. Since the output of AND gate is only maximum when both the inputs are maximum, you will get 0 0 0 and 1. Then the output of NAND gate will be inversion of these values. 0, it is 1. 0, again 1, 0, 1, it is 1, 0. That means the output of the NAND gate will be maximum when any one of its input is minimum and its output will be minimum or 0 when both the inputs are maximum or 1. Next, the NOR gate. The NOR gate is combined from OR gate and NOT gate. So the output of OR gate, when it is given to a NOT gate, it becomes a NOR gate. The Boolean expression and truth table. Y is equal to, for OR gate we know that A or B, that is A plus B. For NOR gate is A plus B whole bar, that is A plus B whole not. Again here we know that for OR gate the output will be maximum when any one of its input is maximum. So 0 1 1 1. So the not of that one is, so 0 means 1, that is the output of NOR gate will be maximum when both its input are minimum. That is, output is 1 when both its input are 0. In all the remaining cases, its output will be 0. Next, the XOR gate, that is exclusive OR gate. From NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate, we can construct XOR gate, the logic gate which gives high output, that is 1, if either input A or input B is high but not both, is called as exclusive OR gate, or also known as XOR gate. It may be noted that if both the inputs of the XOR gate are high, then the output will be low. Now, the XOR gate is constructed by using NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate, and it is represented symbolically like this. Now, the Boolean expression A XOR B, that is XOR gate A XOR B, that is, we know that by using De Morgan's theorem for logic gates, A XOR B is nothing but A complement into B plus A into B complement. So output, inputs A and B, output is Y, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The XOR gate, it gives the output maximum if either A or B should be maximum. That means here B is maximum, so output is maximum. Here A is maximum, so output is maximum. In this case, no one is maximum, both are low, therefore output is low. In this case, both are high, therefore the output is low. That means the XOR gate only gives the output maximum when any one of the input is maximum. Next, exclusive NOR gate. XOR plus NOT gives XNOR. The symbol is as shown here. So Boolean expression is Y is equal to A XNOR B, that is A naught B naught plus AB. Now, logic gates using NAND gate. The NAND gate is the building block of the digital electronics. All the logic gates like OR gate, the AND gate and the NOT gate can be constructed from the NAND gates. First, construction of NOT gate from the NAND gate. When both the inputs A and B of the NAND gate are joined together, then it works as a NOT gate. Now, let us consider a NAND gate. Here you are having two inputs A and B. When the A and B is combined, it will become a single input and single output. Now, the truth table and logic symbol. Here, A and B are combined means A should be equal to B. So, A is 0 means B is also 0. Whenever it is 0, the output is 1. Whenever A and B is 1, the output is 0. Therefore, it acts as a NOT gate. Next, construction of AND gate from the NAND gate. Now, when the output of the NAND gate is given to the input of the NOT gate made from the NAND gate. So here the NOT gate is also constructed from NAND gate. Then the resultant logic gate works as a AND gate. The complement of NAND is AND. To get the complement, we will use a NOT gate, and here the NOT gate is nothing but it is made from the NAND gate as explained in the previous case. Now A and B are the two inputs. Y dash is the output of the NAND gate. When this output is given as the input to the NAND gate, which acts as a NOT gate, you will get the AND gate output. Now the truth table and logic symbol, A and B, Y dash and Y, 0 and 0, NAND gate output is 1, so the complement of 1 is 0. 0 and 1, NAND gate 1, complement is 0. 1 and 0, here 1, the complement is 0. 1 and 1, it is 0, the complement is 1. Therefore, the AND gate can be constructed by using a NAND gate. Now, construction of OR gate by the NAND gate. When the outputs of the two NOT gates obtained from the NAND gate is given to the input of the NAND gate, the resultant logic gates works as the OR gate. Now, let us consider this is a NOT gate and this is also NOT gate, and these two are the NOT gate which are made from the NAND gate, because we know that when the two inputs is combined, it becomes a NOT gate. Now, when the output of these two NOT gate is given to the NAND gate, it becomes a OR gate. Now, A and B. So, A, when it is 0, A complement is 1. B is 0, B complement is 1. 1 and 1, here from NAND gate it is 0. So, when A is 0, B is 1. It is 1, it is 0, 1. 1 and 0, it is 0 and 1, 1. 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1. That means the output is nothing but it is same as that of the OR gate. That means you can construct NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate by using a NAND gate. Therefore, NAND gate is called as the building block. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.